Hi, I'm Reyes. In this short video, I will be explaining what is Google Colab and what are the key benefits of using Google Colab, followed by a hands-on. That's the agenda of this short video. So first of all, we need to know what is Google Colab. It is also known as Google Collaboratory. It is basically a free cloud-based platform provided by Google, and it allows users to write and execute Python code in a Jupyter notebook, which is really great. And it's a very powerful tool for data science, machine learning, and programming. And whether you're a student or you are a professional, you can use it with equal benefits. Why Google Colab? It gives us some really great benefits or advantages, as it doesn't need any kind of configuration. Everything is pre-configured. So it is a great time saver for professionals and great ease of use for beginners without any hassle or trouble. And it allows access to GPUs and TPUs free of charge. GPU is graphics processing unit and TPU is tensor processing unit, which are great for professional data scientists and machine learning experts. And a Google Colab can be easily shared either through Google Drive or through GitHub. Now we are in the hands-on section. In this section, I will show you how to create a new Google Colab notebook, create some cells in it where we can enter text or code for execution, and then run code and show you execution history. So for this, need to have a Google account, log into your Google account, and enter this URL colab.research.google.com in a new browser tab, such as. So from here, we can create a new Google Colab notebook. Click on File menu option, then New Notebook. So this is how a new notebook is created. We can rename it, for example, Data Science. So it is a name of, you can use any name. It gives us the option to create either code cell or text cell at a time. For example, if I say text, I can enter some text. This is sample text, and then I can format it using this markdown menu options. For example, if I just click on this, it can become bold, and as I come out of this edit option, it displays it in the formatted mode. I can enter any URL or an image, or maybe I could use LaTeX for mathematical or statistics equations, and these can be part of another video that we can discuss later. So for your convenience, here I can enter, for example, this is a text cell with the text Google Colab practice session. This is text cell. Now here I can enter a new code cell. I can just say 2 plus 3, shift enter, or click on this arrow button. So it gives us the result. So this way we can perform the basic mathematical equations. This is actually a great facility provided by Python. Then we can do like this: print sum is equal to 2 plus 2, or I can change it, for example, 2 plus 6, and then click on this. So the sum is equal to it. So this way we can present in a different way or better way. Even we can create variables and then display the results by using the print command. For example, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to like 3, and here the sum is, first of all, you need to run them before they take effect, and then sum is equal to 7, and this one is 4 into 3, 12. So this is how we make use of the Jupyter Notebook cells. Now I'll show you how to share a Google Colab notebook. For this, you need to click on this option, Share Notebook. It will open a window for you. So you need to look at the general access. If it is restricted, click on anyone with the link and copy link, done, and share this URL with anyone you want to share this Google Colab notebook. Other than this, you can always download it to your local drive, which is your computer drive, so you can download it as Jupyter Notebook as well as Python file that you can run on your own computer using some appropriate IDE, such as in my case I always prefer PyCharm. You can always reach me using my email ID.